Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to send money from Revolut to your bank account. So since the application is not that active in our country, so I will just going to guide you and be sure to follow everything. Okay, so how do I send money to a bank account? Okay, to send money to another bank, please follow these steps. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just to go to transfer. You'll be able to see this one in your application and then tap on new or the plus icon and then bank recipient. Okay, so select the recipient country and currency, add their account details and tap add recipient. Okay, that's step number one. And next, go back to transfer. Tap on the search bar, select accounts, choose the beneficiary, and tap send and enter the amount you wish to transfer along with a reference if necessary and click continue. Now, before completing the transfer, review all the details. If everything is in order, press send. Okay, so be sure to, review everything thoroughly. And then navigate to the home screen and select your transfer at any time to check the current status. Okay, so that's how you can send money to a bank account. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.